Pigeon. 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 Come here, pigeon. Yo!
It's the twins bear. It's the twins bear.
By the way, if you come over to my place...
Yeah? You know, something tells me that there's something wrong with that sign. Santa!
Motherfucking split Santa!
Wayne? Hey, how do I look? Do I look better?
Ugly.
Yeah.
Ugly.
You look better.
You look ugly.
Your face is turtles.
You're fat as ugly.
Butt cheese. Star Wars.
Learn more and then I'll switch around.
Excuse me.
Ging ging gong gong. Have the rest of your night.
Yeah, you too.
Walking.
Shotgun blast her fucking head.
Yeah, I'm walking. I'm a fat ass walking. Yay! Yeah, we just spent all day doing nothing, so now we're heading over to Eric's place. And we saw the cops. So, yay, cops. What did you find?
Special helmet.
Yay!
Fart! I've been craving this place since probably about May or June. And I wound up getting some in, I think it was July, but I've been craving some of that White Castle since then. So, we just crossed over White Castle, right?
Fuck that bitch ass.
Some dumbass winds up almost hitting me, revs his fucking engine. So I say, ooh, wow, you can rev your engine. I didn't know he had his window open. I was talking to Eric and didn't know he had his window open. So I'm like, ooh, wow, you can rev your engine as you go by us. Ooh, Mr. Tough Man. And I hear him go, man, I'll get out of this car and beat your ass.
He ain't did shit.
I'm not hiding.
You know what way we're going?
Yeah. I told him do it and he ain't doing shit.
I told him he would, so I can fucking stab him.
And what is it you said? Just because you're in the wrong don't mean you need to put yourself further in the wrong?
Exactly.
Hello, birdies. There we go. There's a good picture. What? Birds?
I bet you I know where it is.
Or what is?
Damn it. I'm looking for the binder. It's an Ultra Pro soft binder.
Oh, that black Ultra Pro soft binder that you had at your old place?
Yeah.
I saw it in here last time I was in here. I can't remember where it is though. Or where it was. I think it might have been in there, in that box.
No, it's not.
So, first off, do not knock the box. I have it sitting, I have my camera sitting on the box, but it's sitting, there's a chip container sitting on the box and my camera's sitting on top of that. Hey! Yelling at the cat?
Yeah. Finally fucking got it.
Got what? What is that?
Oops.
Quit throwing stuff. Oh, Corvold? I was looking at that, I kind of figured you'd want that one. So I don't know what to drink. Should I drink my Faygo? Or should I drink my cherry vanilla Coke? Or is it? Yeah, cherry vanilla.
Fagel.
Faygo? Penis. Birds.
Freya, get the fuck down.
Is she on the counters?
She was in the fucking towel rack in the bathroom.
She was on the towel rack?
Yeah, one of the towel racks.
Are you saying one of the hangers, the rod on the wall, or was...
Towel racks. You know, white racks that are for towels, like these.
Oh, the shelf thing? That's it?
Towel rack, dude.
I've heard people call both things towel rack. That's why I was asking. I've never heard you say towel rack before.
Fuck you! Go lay down. You look so retarded. You just made one of the birds flinch.
If anyone knows what that's from, that flinching thing, please let me know. Snarf. What was that? Okay. You don't say. Really?
Poopy chickens.
I like poopy chickens.
So what do you got? What kind of drink do you got?
White out.
You drink whiteout? Yeah, that's just nasty.
Shut the fuck up.
That's not pretty sanitary.
That's not down, Joey.
So we got a guy digging in poop.
So we got a poop digging and guile.
That's not very sanitary. Hey, you found a poop worm, yay!
So can I see the whiteout? Yeah, that's a whiteout. Why do I smell fish? You need to close your legs. Hi. You need to close your legs. Hi. You need $1 million. Hi. You need $1 million. Hi. You need $1 million.
You're fucking gay!
Hey. Hey. Hi.
Gay!
Hey.
Bitch!
Hey.
Fuck!
Hi.
Shit titty asshole!
Yeah.
Go lay down.
Go lay down. Go lay down. Oh, by the way, I had one of the people that I was friends with a while ago wound up blocking me recently on Facebook because I said who I supported to him, and he didn't like it
Joe Biden?
because
Haha, you fucking Trump supporters, he lost!
and he wound up unblocking me recently.
Oh, the fucking Nico Ramirez guy or whatever?
Yep. I know who you're talking about. That's not his name, but I would prefer to keep his real name not in the video.
Fucking expose him. Expose his stupid ass.
But
Expose his racist stupid ass.
he unblocked me recently,
Just to say, why you call me fuck you?
and basically, told me all this bullshit about Trump should have been reelected and all that shit, and
Trump supporter. All Trump supporters.
I basically just tell him flat out.
All Trump supporters should die.
He's a racist motherfucker, and
All Trump supporters should die.
basically saying Trump supports racism, and Trump tried passing laws against
All Trump supporters should die.
LGBT stuff,
All Trump supporters should die.
and I told him that's why I didn't support it,
All Trump supporters should die.
He got all offended by that and blocked me again.
All Trump supporters should die. Why do you keep pausing like that? Longest fucking pause ever. All Trump supporters should die. I have a Brook.
You lost interest in what my long ass pause again?
All Trump supporters should die.
That was a tiny ass fart.
He said,
I tried farting and it went. Jeez! Why are you all blurry, cat? Cat butt? What? Cat butt? What was that?
get flagged for YouTube
For showing a cat butt?
for showing a fluffy cat asshole.
When all
Asshole.
when all I showed was the fluff.
You just barely see the butthole.
What, you were looking at the butthole?
You were looking at the butthole. You know what? I wanted to film the butthole.
Fine, fine. Whoa, whoa.
They're old. They're like a week old.
Yeah?
Moldy.
Yeah?
This is why you get sick. This is why mom doesn't fucking love you. There goes that crackhead I see each morning.
I see a little tripod sitting on the shelf over here. Do you mind if I take a look at it?
No.
What is that, for the, that fake GoPro, or is this your phone?
For my phone. I smashed my fake GoPro.
What was that, a Vivitar brand?
Yep.
Didn't you smash mine first because mine wasn't working?
Yeah.
No wonder why those things were on clearance.
For 25 bucks.
Original price was what, like 80?
Yeah.
100 bucks?
80. There goes a crackhead I see each morning.
Anyway, I have my phone set up there recording a time lapse. I don't know how long I'm gonna actually record the time lapse for, so yay! Whatever it shows up as is whatever. Nuts. Whatever nuts I give you is whatever you get.
Atreus, to me.
Okay.
If they mess with mom, let me know.
I'm gonna let you know. Either way, you're gonna see it, but or if the camera's recording, you're gonna see it in the vlog. But I'll let you know either way. I saw them kind of kissing each other, so.
Kissing is fine.
Yeah. I see mom kind of snapping. Like one of them wants to do something, but mom's snapping back.
Good. There goes the I might wanna do a crack instead!
She doesn't know what to do. And she almost fell. What, are you playing with the camera now too? Or are you telling me you don't want to be filmed? Oh, what is that, huh?
Fuck! 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 Fuck!
Starting to feel playful now, huh? She is really starting to turn into a fucking crackhead.
There goes that crackhead I see each morning.
Oh, thanks for showing me our ass again. Hey, quit blurring out there, you kitty. What? Should I shut the door? Yeah, shit, fuck. I knocked over my cards. I'm gonna shut the door just in case. One of them's behind the cage, one of them's in the cage, and one of them's on the side of the cage. Oh, thanks. I was just about to record, and as soon as I hit record, you stepped in front of the camera. You're not even touching the bird. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I got that.
Now if only you were as intelligent.
I finally got Mama Bird in a good video. Punani?
Muñano.
Monano?
Muñano.
Kongonginga.
You're gay!
Only on Wednesdays.
72 cents? This Gideon's only 72 cents. Do you have a Gideon Jura?
No, I don't. Can I see Gideon? During target opponent's next turn, creatures that player controls attack Gideon Jura if able. -2 is destroy target tapped creature, and 0 is until end of turn. Gideon Jura becomes a 6/6 human soldier creature that's still a planeswalker. Prevent all damage that would be dealt to Gideon Jura this turn. And you said Gideon's only a 72-cent card?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, I'm gonna set it there.
Do you want him?
I would. I want to make my mind. I want to make my decision. Kind of. I kind of want him, but I don't know how I would use him. I have a question for you. That Gideon Jura that you have, its 0 effect is it becomes a 4/4. But let's say you make a red-white deck with Gideon Jura and then that Sarkhan that turns all planeswalkers you control into 6/6s with flying, or whatever it is. Let's say you activate Gideon's effect first, and then activate Sarkhan's effect. What would Gideon be, a 4/4 or a 6/6 with flying?
If he's already a 4/4, he'd be a 4/4 because he's considered a creature then.
But then if you activate Sarkhan first and then activate Gideon's
He'd be a 4/4, whatever his effect 4/4 is, because you activate Sarkhan, he becomes the dragon, but then you activate Gideon, then he becomes the 4/4 indestructible.
So either way, he'd become the 4/4.
Yeah.
Because if you activate his effect first, and then you activate Sarkhan's effect, Gideon's already a creature, and it wouldn't affect him because he's not a planeswalker anymore.
Yeah. If you activate Gideon first and then activate Sarkhan, it doesn't.
But then if you activate Sarkhan's first, and then activate Gideon's, he'll turn into the dragon, and then he'll turn into the Gideon creature.
Yeah, but he's not a Gideon creature dragon.
He's not the one with flying.
Yeah.
So what would you say if I wound up getting you a Black Lotus?
I'd be like, take me out to dinner.
Would you want me to get somebody to suck your dick for you too?
No, return it and then buy me dinner. Damn. That one went way up.
Who gave it Viagra?
Fucking bear umbrella went up.
Don't tell Carl you have one.
I already did.
Yeah, what you said.
Don't want to throw up because I'm a Toys R Us kid.
But what you said about Carl not responding, so you're gonna sell the card? I don't doubt that about him. I don't doubt that he didn't respond, because he does that to me all the fucking time. That's why I don't fucking send him many messages.
Point.
If I send him a message, he's either gonna respond and say, I'm not in the mood to talk, or he's not gonna respond at all.
Or he's gonna ask you for shit.
Yeah. So it serves him right if he's not gonna... You were offering him something free of charge, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
And he didn't respond, so...
Fuck him.
He doesn't get it.
Scourge of the Sky Flames.
Alright, that's really creepy. That light's just flickering on and off.
Yeah, I'll send that.
Birds.
Grab them. Like block that area.
Good boy, you did in the window bit.
Get it a little bit.
I'm blocking it a little bit more by closing the blinds.
Use on my shoe. Use on my pants. Come on. Quit fucking around, asshole. Fuck you.
Quit fucking my asshole around. Are you cribbage?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bird wants to go in a cage.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You bitch bird. Fuck you. Come on, fly again, dude. Fly again. Fly. Fly. Fly more. Fly more. Like more frequent. Come on. Come on. Do like I tell you to do. Oh, you landed right on your shoulder.
Hello, birdie.
Hi. Good boy.
Here.
Good boy, Tezzeret. Good boy. Good boy. See, this is what I want you to do.
Hello. Hello. I want to see that when I'm done filming. I like cheese.
Oh, the bird is stuck in the cage.
He's like, oh shit, get me out of here.
Now what, bitch? I outsmarted you. Oh, yeah.
It's under the bag, so be careful.
Hi. Come on. Why the fuck
Oh,
you
he's
like-
panting.
Oh, you getting tired?
So what are you doing in there with the bird?
Watching him. Shake your head once, or lift your head up like really fast. You should. You should. Good boy. That's what I wanted.
Can I see? Show me.
What is it? Good boy. That's good, baby.
Bird on the arm?
Good boy. Okay. I'll let you go, okay? I'll let you go in the cage. You're tired, aren't you? Come on. Go in the cage. Here, go in the cage. Come on. You can do it. You want me to grab you? No? Come on. Step up. Come on. Come on. Up. Step up.
Just leave the door open Eventually it'll figure out, hey, fly in here. Like that.
What that? What is that?
Whoa. Somebody's happy.
She's moving her paws like.
Kneading almost. Oh, that's a big stretches. She's happy. Oh. She's like, what the fuck? She's like, I don't know what to do.
I fucking did it again, cause I farted. Fucking farted and it smells like cat shit. I fucking farted and it smells like cat shit. I farted and it smells like cat shit. I don't get why it smells like cat shit when it comes from a human's ass. It should smell like human shit, not like cat shit. What the fuck? I farted.
Cat twat. Hello, kitty. Oh, thank you for showing me your butt again.
Alright, I'm setting up for time lapses.
Friends don't say mean shit. So guess what? You ain't my friend no more, bitch.
So the person that contacted me a few days ago, I think it was like 2 days ago, where they tried calling me master. They keep contacting me, asking me for help. So I'm like, they're trying to not work and get money out of me because they think they deserve my money.
Like if you could show me.
And they're trying to use religious stuff.
Okay, those are duties to know.
And
Okay.
the way I understand it, I don't mind helping
Then so on his left
when
nostril,
I can,
mind holding that up again a little?
but does A, God helps those who help themselves, and B,
Can you lift the other one so I can see? So you
what
yes.
makes this person think that I have enough money to just be handing out? Cat trying to sneak in again? She's starting to get used to being held.
Because every time she gets held, she gets the squitches. And she likes the squitches. So she's like, okay, I'll deal with it. Until I want to go. Oh, Shiggy really likes that.
I think it's partially to do with the collar and partially to do with there being a gland in the cheek or something.
Okay, I'll let you go. I love you. Well, not at all.
Whooping nuts. So I do want to say though, I am trying to be respectful. I know you see that. So I've forgotten stuff. Like 1 or 2 times I've left.
So she's not fucking all.
No. No.
You do it.
Leave it here. I'll do it in front of her.
Yeah. That's why I was just gonna. I just realized that. But, yeah, I should.
But yeah, I try and be respectful. If I leave trash, it's out of the way, on accident, and it's one piece of trash. So, if I stink, 99% of the time it's body odor. I try and be respectful. I'm not gonna do this, but I want to be an asshole when she gets home. I'm not going to.
But I'll make you go home.
Yes, sir. Fighter.
Because there's a difference between being an asshole and being blunt. I avoid being an asshole. I don't mind being blunt. But I'm not an asshole.
That shit.
What was that? You didn't do anything? How was it?
I don't need. We paid everything for vlog.
What was that? Oh. Where do I have a hair on my hand?
I got pee really bad.
I noticed. Where'd you forget your key if you need to pee?
Only on Wednesdays?
I'm a kitchen fink.
Well, I'm gonna end the video here. I haven't really recorded anything since like 2 hours ago. So, if you made it this far, give me a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and
Poop on my chest.
what is that, a Cleveland steamer?
No, it's a Stephen Kleemer.
It is a Cleveland Cleamer, huh? Okay. Have you ever had anyone do a Cleveland Cleamer on you?
Ew, no.
Fuck no.
Have you known it? Did you know anyone ever that told you that they had that happen?
No. I'd give my cat one.
On accident.